My maternal grandmom, who I used to call Sumi Ma, had this thing about curry paste. She used to say they have to be as fine as kajal. We had this bai called Lakshmi Bai who would keep grinding them and coming to her, showing them, and she'd be like, no, finer. Presenting the most powerful and best-in-class grinder and blender for the smart Indian kitchen and the smart Indian woman, the Kent Superpower Grinder and Blender. To make my go-in prawn curry, what we need first is to make our dry spice blends. And we're going to put this in this 1 liter stainless steel jar. Now I know what you're thinking. How can such a big jar grind it? Shall we try?
Yes.
And I was telling them, don't worry, because it's got 1200 watts and operates on 30,000 RPM and has high-grade stainless steel blades that makes the grinding of even small quantities of dry spices easy. 1, 2, 3. Put this on properly. Can you click it? There you go. Click this. There you go. Click this. There you go. Switch it. Ooh, look at that. I told you. Let me introduce you to the 3 jars that come with the Kent Superpower Grinder and Blender. We have the BPA-free 2-liter jar, and this is great for crushing ice, making smoothies, making juice. 2 stainless steel jars are this 1-liter jar for grinding masalas and the 400 ml chutney jar. Can you put this coconut into my chutney jar, please? We're going to soak our Kashmiri chilies in some hot water. I'm going to use the 400 ml chutney jar, the stainless steel chutney jar, to make my water. Gone are the days of putting your mixer on, putting it off, putting it on, because this has protection against overheating and overcurrent. So, and remember when you have to actually sit and hold your mixer? Things have improved, technology. I wanted to check if this button is kajala sarko or not, like how smooth my it's sweet. Yeah. A little more. Finer. Is it kajala sarko? Yes. Now it's kajala. It is absolutely. Sumima would be proud. We're going to marinate the prawns in some salt, little bit of haldi, little bit of chili. Let's put in some mustard seeds, jeera and curry patta. This is on high heat right now. And we're also going to put in 10 tablespoons of this kajala sarka curry paste. Just going to put in some water. Little touch of go-in coconut vinegar. Toss in the kokum. Yum. Salt is perfect. It's very important to taste your food, guys. My beautiful go-in prawn curry is ready. Now I know most people associate Kent with water purifiers, but do check out their kitchen appliance range as well, because it's best in class.